Hey everyone, this is David with Headset Advisor and welcome to another video. And today we're going to do an unboxing of the Logitech C920 HD webcam. And we are also going to be doing an in-depth review and comparison to the Discover HD 100 in future videos. So like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can be on the lookout for that. But let's dive into this right now. All right, so we got that undone. Oh, look at that, that's fancy. They have the camera kind of displayed as soon as you open it, which I always like those little touches that manufacturers do because a lot of times it's just buried under cardboard and not displayed very nicely, but that's cool. All right, so there's the Beast. This is probably one of their most popular webcams, and looks like the rest is just filler in here. You got a little manual and nothing else in the box. They probably do that just so that this displays on a store shelf nicer, you know, on a retail store shelf. All right, and let's see, it has some kind of plastic wrapped up trying to protect this, whatever you want to call this, the stand, and also where it mounts to a tripod. We are going to do a in-depth review so you can see the picture quality and compare it to the Discover HD 100. But after we're done doing all of our reviews, what we do is we give away our products. So if you want to get this product for free, potentially, or any of our other products that we do reviews of, we give them away after we're done reviewing them. So join us at headsetadvisor.com/giveaway, and I'll put a link up on the screen here as well. We'll put it in the description below, and you'll have a good opportunity to, win these amazing products. So subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified when our in-depth review and comparison of this product comes out. But there's not really much included in this box, so that's all for now, and we'll see you next time.